welcome back to Shruti Arts. I am Shruti and you are watching Shruti Arts. So in today's video we are going to make DIY blending stump. So many of you might not know what is blending stump. So let me tell you that blending stump is a tool which is used in shading, and you can also use this for shading details in your portrait, in your drawing. So this is a really useful tool. So many of us can't afford this from online stores, as well as if you are in a place where it's not available in the market, so you can make this at home by DIY. So this video is only for that. So if you want to make this, make sure to watch the video till the end. We're going to cover all the points, and I'm also going to show how to use this and how it works. So now without wasting time, let's jump into the video. But before starting, let me tell you one thing, that if you want paid work, paid portraits, then make sure to DM me on my Instagram account. Over here it's my ID, and I have also mentioned the link in the description, so you can just go and follow me over there to join the journey of Shruti Arts, as well as get new inspiration art ideas. So make sure to go and follow us over there. The ID is Shruti Arts. Down over here it's the ID. And also if you want paid works, make sure to DM over there, and I am going to draw my subscribers on my YouTube channel. So make sure to subscribe Shruti Arts if you want you to drawn by me on my screen over here. So make sure to subscribe Shruti Arts and press the bell notification, by which you will get daily notifications whenever I upload any kind of video. And we are going to come up with really crazy, fun and interesting videos. So make sure to subscribe. Down there is a red button, and comment down if you have any art related suggestions. So now for making the blending stump, I am going to use some printer pages. So I have taken 4 printer pages over here. From that I am going to use about 3 printer pages in total. You can also use the pages which are a bit dull. There will be no changes in the result of the product. So now I'm going to use the sellotape or cotton tape. You can use it to fix the last ends of the blending stump. And now I'm also going to use the brush. So for in the video you will see what I am using this for. So now I am going to take some papers and cut the corners of it, by which I'll get a uniform blending stump. So this have 4 corners. So what I'm going to do is place scale over here, and then with help of craft knife I am just going to snip off the ends, that is snip off the corners like this. So as you can see here, I have taken the knife, and now I'm going to simply cut this corner. So like this I'm going to cut the corners, that is only 2 corners, that is opposite corners, and leave the 2 like as it is. And I am going to do this for all pages which I am going to use. So now as you can see, I have snipped off the corners, that is 2 corners of each paper, and I have got 4 papers by snipping their corners, and I'm going to use 3 of them. So as I told you, I'm going to use brush, that is paint brush. So now let's use it. So what I'm going to do is place the brush on the corner, and then just going to curl it, by which my end will get a little bit curled. As you can see, I'm going to do like this, and then just get back over here. Now as you can see, the corner of the page is nicely curled, by which I can now curl the whole paper tightly. So now what you are going to do is, with help of your 2 fingers, you are going to curl the whole paper, and by this you will get the blending stump. So now let's get into the curling process. Make sure to curl this as much tight as you can, otherwise your blending stump will not come up good and will not give the results good as you want. So make sure to tightly roll it over. You can use your fingertips. It will take time, but make sure to take time, be patient and tight it nicely. So like this I am going to attach the ends of two papers and again roll the paper over, and we'll do the same thing with three of all the papers. So as you can see, I have rolled the blending stump nicely, and now I am going to fix it with the cotton tape. So just taking the cotton tape, snip its edges, and now I am going to apply it on my blending stump. I am going to apply three strands of it, by which I'll fix it properly and tight. So now what I'm going to do is fold the edges of the blending stump, and you will get a point where it will not fold. So that point is the point from where we have to cut the blending stump. I'm going to do the same from both the sides, and at a point it will end. And after that I am going to snip the excess off with help of the knife as shown in the video. So now with help of a craft knife you will snip the edges like a pencil and make the point sharper, by which you can blend the shading with help of a sharp point. So I'm just going to snip the edges like this. It will create a mess, but don't worry, it will worth all the things we done yet. So as you can see, I have snipped off half of it, and now I'm going to make a point of this blending stump like a pencil. So as you can see, I have got nice sharp point over here. You will also do the same as I have done here. So now let's test how it works. Moment of truth. Now let's see what are the results. So I'm going to use this 6B pencil and make a part be shade. I'm going to shade this part, and now I'm going to blend it with this blending stump we made at home. So yes, the results are really good and I really liked it. So now let's try more examples. So yeah, I'm going to draw this circle. So yep, this was not better circle. Let me draw another one. Yep, I have drawn another circle, and now I'm going to shade it and show that how it works. So I'm satisfied with all the results. It's working really well, same as the market bought one. So I'm really happy with this. So if you like the video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to Shruti Arts, and comment down and share this video with all your friends and artists. That's it for today guys. Hope you liked the video and I'll see you in my next video.